Hey guys, what's up? It's iOS for you, and today I want to talk about something different. This is about a PC that I want. So, if you don't know, I'm on a laptop and I play video games such as CS:GO and Rust. I don't get the greatest performance. I get about 20 FPS on Rust maybe, and all that. I'm on a laptop, but I'm trying to get this computer. $774 in total, including the keyboard and the monitor. So I just want you guys to help me buy this. I have a little bit of money, but not a lot. And all you need to do is send something to my PayPal, and it can range anywhere from 50 cents to anything. Anything helps, guys, even if it's $1. Anything. Yeah, guys, that was about it. I hope you guys can help me get this. And like, comment, subscribe, and bye.